Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Chime. We are going to be talking about everything you must know for Chime Bank. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down below. So now let's jump into it, roll that intro, come on. Now, for those of you that don't know what Chime is an online bank that offers a variety of financial tools. Now, it's rated one of the most popular apps on the financial app store, so a lot of people love it and a lot of people use it. Now, Chime offers a whole bunch of financial tools, pretty much guided for your financial success. It offers a debit card, a credit card. It offers a whole bunch of other financial tools. So let's start off with the savings. So Chime does offer a savings account, right? This is a standard savings account that's very, very similar to all the other savings accounts, and it offers about a 0.5 APY, which is pretty much the percentage of money you're gonna be getting per year to hold this, which is decent comparing it to other banks out there. So one of the main reasons why I love Chime savings account is because it offers something called the roundup feature. So the roundup feature is a fantastic way to save money without actually saving money. It's a great way, let me explain it. So pretty much how it works is if you guys go out and you buy a coffee that's just say for $1.50, what it's gonna do is it's gonna actually purchase it for $2. So it's gonna take that 50 cents and it's gonna automatically invest it and save it into that savings account. So it's not like you're going through and saving a certain percentage of your money. It's actually just automating your savings account with like your change, which is really, really cool. And this can add up to hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over the course of a year. Now, probably the best thing that Chime offers is called a credit builder. A credit builder is pretty much a way for people that don't have credit or are new to credit to start building up their credit score so they can get loans for cars or a mortgage or even better interest rates, which, trust me, can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. But now kind of how it works is pretty much you will sign up for their secured card, and a secured card is different than a regular credit card. A regular credit card, you pretty much have a spending limit and that's it, and you just have to pay it off. Now, a secured card, on the other hand, is you put money on the card, and then normally after a certain amount of time, 6 months, a year, you will get that deposit back and you will have a standard credit card. And that's kind of how it works, is you have to take money from your checkings account and you have to put it on that secured card. And the beauty of it is it's going to send all of your payment history to the top 3 local credit bureaus so it can impact your credit score. And the beauty of this is this does not affect your credit score at all, because normally with a standard credit card, they will run your credit in order to get you that credit card. This is the flipped. It's the opposite way around, right? You get the card first, you pay it, and then it will send, you know, those payment history to the top 3 credit bureaus, which is a great way for people to start building credit that don't have credit. Now, another thing that Chime offers is the overdraft protection, up to like $100 or $200, whatever your account balance is. And I definitely think that's great for people with a tight budget. But at the end of the day, you never want to have a card that's constantly getting overdraft and counting on that $100 or $200, because over the course of the long term, you know, Chime will actually start charging you standard fees if it's a reoccurring issue and you don't pay off that balance. Now, breaking down the pros and cons of Chime. Chime is great for people that are just starting out with maybe getting a bank or an online bank, and it's fantastic. It's very easy to use, it's user friendly, and it does offer a pretty competitive savings APY, which is pretty good. Now, another thing that is a pro is it does offer getting paid early for your direct deposit. So if you have that 9-to-5 job or you have a job and they offer a direct deposit, you guys can get paid up to like 2 or 3 days early compared to their normal payout, which is really, really cool. So if you're somebody that constantly kind of needs money, maybe lives paycheck to paycheck, Chime could be the way where you kind of get a little lift, you know, you get a little edge and you can start saving money a little easier. Now, gearing on that savings, it does have automated savings, which I personally love because you don't have to constantly add money to your savings account. You kind of just automate it and not even have to worry about it and just use that roundup feature. Now, breaking down the cons. Now, Chime does not have any physical locations, which makes it a little difficult to put cash on your card. You have to go to certain stores such as CVS, Walgreens, or companies like that to put cash on your debit card, which is kind of confusing, but it does offer like over 70,000 ATMs across the United States that are all fee-free, which is awesome. Now, another con that Chime has is there's been several customer complaints about Chime actually locking their account and not being able to pull funds out, put funds in, and just completely locking down their account, and you have to call, and it's a big headache to actually get your money, and this is just randomly happens. It's not something that you can prevent. And now the third thing is there is better options out there. Now, me personally, I'm a huge fan of online banks just for their convenience, but one thing you have to realize is historically local credit unions like the one near my house does pay a way higher APY. I use a company called Genesis Credit Union, and this offers a 4.07% for my checkings account, and that is, times fouring the savings account that this has. So I just leave money on my checking account, and I do have other investments that pay an APY. So I definitely think there is better options out there, but the beauty of it is Chime is 100% online. So if you don't want to have to worry about going to brick and mortar stores and you just mostly have direct deposit, Chime is a great way. So giving you my full review, should you use Chime Bank? Now, I definitely think it's great for beginners that are just getting started, definitely building their credit, because credit is super, super important, and it will save you thousands of dollars on your mortgage, on your car loans, on your student, loan refinance, a whole bunch of things. So you have to have good credit, and I definitely think that is the huge advantage of Chime Bank. All the other things is kind of basic and standard with other online banks. So honestly, if I was gonna give this a score out of 5, I probably would give it maybe at about a 4 or 3.5 stars out of 5 stars. The reason why is because yes, it's very user-friendly, but it does offer just basic needs, and there is better options out there, and there is other secured cards that is not Chime Bank. So there is options out there, and those cards will often offer, cashback rewards and stuff like that. So there is options, but if you guys want to sign up, I'll put a link to my referral link so you guys can get like 50 bucks by signing up. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, stay safe out there, and we'll see you later. Take care.